Welcome. If you spend a lot of time on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've probably noticed how much the platform keeps changing. And with the latest update, there's a new way to make your feed easier to read by adjusting color contrast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to increase color contrast on the X app for PC, so your posts, buttons, and text stand out more clearly. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your computer. You'll see your main dashboard with your timeline, notifications, and messages. From here, look to the side menu and click on More. This will open a list of additional options and settings you can customize. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section gives you full access to your account preferences, display options, and tools that can make your browsing experience smoother. Under these settings, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This is where the new update adds more control over how things look on screen. Now, choose Accessibility. Inside this menu, you'll find a setting that says Increase Color Contrast. Simply check that box. Once you do, the interface will immediately adjust, colors will become bolder, text will look sharper, and different elements of the page will have stronger visual separation. This feature is designed to make content easier to read, especially in low light conditions or for anyone who finds the standard contrast a bit too muted. After turning it on, take a moment to scroll through your feed. You'll instantly notice how much clearer posts appear and how easy it is to focus on what matters most. That's it, quick, simple, and effective. Increasing color contrast can make your entire X experience feel more comfortable and accessible. If you've just updated your app, definitely give this feature a try and see how it transforms the look of your feed. Thanks for watching.